Hey guys, and welcome back to NoBlandMakeup, where we do makeup and body paint tutorials, usually with a cosplay twist, but today is a continuation of my World Cup flag series, and I am almost done with it. I'm actually really proud of that. So if you guys want to see how I did this Panama inspired makeup, let's do it. So I started off by applying a white base on one of my eyelids and one of my lower lash lines. The reason for this, if you've seen the Panamanian flag, it's one of those words where you say it right and you think you're saying it wrong. But if you've seen the Panamanian flag, it's literally just that. It's kind of split up basically. So that's what we're gonna do. Now if you've been here for a while, you already know what I'm gonna do next. But I'm gonna go ahead and set that base with some white eyeshadow, mostly because the base I put underneath is gonna make that white eyeshadow pop a lot more, and I really want it to be noticeable. If you want to get more of an intense color though, instead of using a blending brush, I would use just a regular eyeshadow brush, something a little bit stiffer, and apply it that way. Next we're going to put blue eyeshadow on the lower lash line. Please make sure to use a smaller brush just so that way it doesn't get blown out so much. I still want it to be nicely blended and everything, but I did have to go in later with concealer and fix my mistakes. So, worst case scenario, there's always that. But if you take a smaller brush and really apply it that way, you'll get more intense color payoff, and you'll also have more control over where the color goes. Then, since we put the blue on the bottom left, where's my earring? Yeah, left. We're gonna put the red on the top right. What I started doing is applying just red eyeshadow all willy-nilly with no base of any kind, not even eyeshadow primer. I don't know why. Lately I just haven't been using eyeshadow primers too much. And then I realized that was a bad idea because my eyeshadows weren't sticking in places that I wanted them to. Mostly just this red though, to be honest. So I applied a little bit of that base and the color just was way nicer. So if you ever find that your eyeshadows aren't intense enough, just give them something to stick to. And then, just to make sure the white is vibrant enough, now that I have the red and the blue on there, I just went over with a little bit more white eyeshadow. So remember how earlier I said I was gonna clean up with some concealer? Yeah, well, I did that, but with enough concealer to, you know, get rid of past decision, credit card debt, ex-boyfriends. Like, I use way too much concealer. Please don't do this. And no, blending it out did not help at all. I had to like, you don't even want to know. But yeah, if you need to clean up something, either use makeup remover or way less concealer than you think you need. Once you're done with that, we're going to go ahead and draw in the stars. Red star on the red side, blue star on the blue side. I just went with the star that you learn how to draw when you're in like first grade or something with the 5 lines, didn't connect them, and then because it is going to be a more filled in star, I literally just filled it in. Super not complicated. Then once I added, wow, fail. Then once I added my stars, I applied some lashes and mascara. And if you guys want a full video on how to apply false lashes, I'll have that linked in the cards up above. And also don't forget to really coat your bottom lashes so that they stand out a little bit more. I feel like I say that all the time. But as I mentioned earlier, today's video is sponsored by moi. I have a merch store on Teespring, so if you guys want to get some cool merch, t-shirts, and other stuff to support the channel, or just because, you know, why not, I'll have the link in the description down below. But this is the final look. I'm actually liking this a lot. Getting kind of Harley Quinn vibes, but I'm not mad. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video too. Don't forget to let me know what you think down in the comments down below. That sentence made sense. Also, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell, and maybe you'll actually get notified when I post a video. But I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!